Hey, it's Paul. In today's video I'm going to explain the merge sort algorithm in Python. So let's go. Merge sort is a popular sorting algorithm that follows a divide and conquer paradigm. So the basic idea behind merge sort is to divide an array into two halves and then recursively sort each half and then merge the sorted halves to produce a fully sorted array. Now let's see how to implement merge sort in Python. First of all, we need to define a function called merge sort, and this function takes an array as an input. So this function is the main driver behind the merge sort algorithm. This function recursively divides the array into halves and then calls another function that we are going to create later that then merges the sorted halves. So first of all, we have to check if the length of the array is greater than 1. And if it is, we can go ahead and save the middle of the array in a variable called mid. So we just divide the length of the array by 2, and then we can go ahead and save the left half by saying array colon mid, and the right half by saying array mid colon. And now we recursively sort each half, so recursively sort each half by calling the merge sort function again and passing the left half and calling it again and passing the right half of our array. And lastly, we have to call a merge function that then merges the sorted halves. So we write merge, which is the function we will create very soon, and we pass the array, the left half and the right half. And now we can go ahead and actually define the merge function. So this takes an array, the left half and the right half. And by the way, if you want to learn more about data structures and algorithms in Python, then feel free to check out my other videos. I've just recently created a video about implementing bubble sort in Python, so if you're interested in that, feel free to check out my channel. Back to the merge function. This function takes care of merging the two sorted arrays left and right into a single sorted array. And so for this we use three different pointers, I, j and k, and we just initialize all three of them as 0, and then we compare elements from left and right arrays and merge them. So for this we use a while loop. While I is less than the length of the left array and j is less than the length of the right array. And while this condition is true, we can check if left at index I is smaller than the right half at index j. And if this condition is true, then we can say array at index k is equal to left at index I. And we also have to increase I by 1. If this is not true, then we can go ahead and say array at index k equals right at index j, and we increase j by 1. And now we have to go back one indentation, and right here we have to increase k by 1. And now we have to go ahead and copy the remaining elements of the left array. And again we have to go back one indentation so that we are on the same level as the previous while loop. And now we can say while I is less then the length of the left half, and then array at index k is equal to left at index I, and then we increase I by 1 and we increase k by 1, and we have to copy the remaining elements of the right array, and so we use while j is less than length of the right half, and then array at index k is equal to right at index j, and we increase j by 1 and we increase k by 1. And now we can go ahead and test the merge sort algorithm. So we create a list. I've just filled it with some sample values, and now we can call merge sort, pass the array, and then print the sorted array. And there we go. So the function works fine. This is how you implement merge sort in Python. If you've learned anything new, feel free to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.